Hey, winter in the garden. Happy New Year. So you can see the snow is almost all gone here, but I want to show you these pails. These pails are earthworm towers, or earthworm high-rises as some people would call them. And this is where the earthworms live in. Hey, yeah, normally they'd be in the ground, right? But, you know, it's very, very wet. And so you got to give them a dry place to live. They don't like hanging out in soil that's too wet. They'll get flooded out. And you know how things are when floods happen. Everything is wet and cold and impassable, right? So that's where the earthworm towers come in. Thomas, a friend of ours, has brought his earthworm towers in because he's going to be gardening here in this little plot in the springtime, and he wants to prepare the soil with a little bit of earthworm poo as they'll go through the holes that are dug, you know, carved into the bottom of these pails or drilled into the bottom of these pails, go down to the ground, do their business, and then come back up out of the ground and probably go in their little mud room that they have down there and take off their soiled overalls and boots and hang them up, and then go and head up into the lounge and catch up on the latest earthwormy things and do their, well, earthwormy things, right? So these are earthworm towers, and we'll see how that all goes. There's our carts them around, puts them in different places, and you know, you've heard of ant farms and beehives. Well, these are earthworm towers. Fun stuff, eh? Until next time, bye for now.